First, breakfast. Take a shit so you don't on the boat. Make sure to break your leg first, so you're extra stable when out there on the rough waters. Buy the badass boat. Don't worry, the bank will give you the money. Drop it, like Snoop Dogg said best. Turn a couple knobs and shit to act like you know what you're doing. If your eardrums aren't blown out by the end of this ride, the music wasn't loud enough. Take your shirt off. What the fuck do you think this is, church? Too short to see? No worries. Throw a little cushion under your feet there. Raise that ass in like hands on a Sunday morning. Up high. Make the motor roar so it wakes up all your neighbors. Nothing wrong with a little flexing. Throw your helmet on, make sure the fuel gauge that doesn't work has fuel in it, and get going. $300 sunglasses so you lose them in the water? Check. Only pussies hold the handle, but do what you want. Flex on those small boats, because they weren't smart enough to get a loan. Admire all the mansions that you'll never be able to afford. Get a tattoo sleeve, makes you drive better. Throttle up and don't stop for nothing. Scratch that. Hold the damn handle. Remember, full throttle only. Check on your friends in the back. Make sure they're still alive. Just out here doing it for the gram. Like David Lee Murphy and Kenny said, everything's gonna be alright. Go find the biggest American flags on the lake, cause America. Let the 12-year-old drive. I mean, it's not illegal. Trust me, there's no such thing as too much flexing. Find the boats with the biggest waves, so you can ramp that shit. Eyes closed, so bad things don't happen. Remember, big waves equals big fun. Make sure to always have your fear face ready. Make sure to let the cripple drive, because what's the fun in safety? Sorry, your wife called. Time to get the fuck home. Make sure to always have a second powerboat, in case the first one breaks. What's another $250,000? Well, $750 later in fuel and you had a good time.